You're watching how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. First, ensure WhatsApp has permission to access your contacts. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security Contacts, find WhatsApp and ensure the switch is green. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp Permissions and ensure Contacts permission is granted. Next, verify that the missing contacts are saved in your phones. Address book with a country code, like one for the US. Open your phone's Contacts app to check. A simple refresh often works. Open WhatsApp, go to the Chats tab, and pull down to refresh the contact list. If that doesn't work, force close the WhatsApp app. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and swipe the app away. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, and tap Force Stop. Then reopen WhatsApp. If contacts are still missing, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitches. Check for WhatsApp updates in your device's App Store, as bugs are often fixed in updates. For Android, a key step is to clear the WhatsApp contacts cache. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data. On iPhone, you can reset contact sync. Go to Settings, Contacts, Accounts. Select your account like iCloud or Google. Toggle contacts off, restart your phone, then toggle it back on. Finally, within WhatsApp, you can manually trigger Array Sync. Go to WhatsApp, Settings, Contacts, Refresh. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.